Most of you know Ravneet Bhalla for cookies without baking powder and soda. So let us make Amaranth cookies with jaggery without baking powder and soda again. A little about Amaranth is a gluten-free grain which is rich in fiber, protein and micronutrients. It stimulates the immune system and it is touted to have anti-tumor activity as well. It is rich in phytochemicals too. So for this recipe of cookies without baking powder and soda, you need 3 tablespoons of solid ghee. Remember to take solid ghee as always and half cup of jaggery powder sift. Now I have taken 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder. However, I felt that these were a little less sweet. I have also added 1 teaspoon of fennel powder. It is completely optional because I love fennel and fennel is a digestive aid as well. So I try to include fennel too in most of my recipes. Otherwise, I chew it just like that. I have powdered the fennel flour and continue to chew it after meals. You should also do it for digestion. Now add 1 tablespoon of milk. You can add up to 2 tablespoons of milk here, but always add everything in batches. Don't dump everything together because that won't give you the right consistency. You need the right consistency. So you may not need even 1 tablespoon extra of milk. So add only 1 tablespoon first. If the dough looks dry, you can add 1 tablespoon more. Now it looked very thin, so I froze this creamed mix for 10 minutes. And don't forget to cover this bowl in the freezer because we don't want water to enter. And then immediately after removing from the freezer, start whipping. And it reaches the right consistency after whipping. Now it's time to add the flour. I have added 1 cup of amaranth or chulai or rajgira atta as it is known in different languages, and seal as well, seal in Punjabi. Now I have added the flour in batches as I always do, and as I will suggest you to follow that principle for every cookie that you make, especially the cookies that cookie recipes from Ravneet Bhalla's cookie series without baking powder and soda, because we want to reach the right dough consistency. Please make sure that you don't dump it all together. Now you can add 1 tablespoon. Now after just gather the ingredients. If they look very dry, in my case they looked dry, so I decided to add 1 tablespoon of milk. Then it will be a loose dough as always. Dust surface with flour. I spread fennel powder again because I love it. You can use flour as well. You can dust with amaranth as well. Now press it gently. I have used my hands only, but you can use a rolling pin too. But be gentle with the dough always, irrespective of whether it's a gluten-free flour or not. Now cut shapes and then we'll be making designs. You can become a little creative like I am doing here. Cut shapes. If you have any cookie cutter, designer cookie cutter, you can use that. And do share how you use amaranth flour. Now then I decorated it with sunflower seeds. Sorry, these are melon seeds. Yeah, melon seeds. This is completely optional, or you may use nuts of choice, slivered nuts, almonds, pistachio, cashews, anything, just about anything. And at this stage, preheat oven air fryer convection OTG to 160 degrees for 10 minutes, and air fryer can be preheated for only 5 minutes. And air fryer is the best baking appliance you can own, and once you buy it you will never look back at baking in any other appliance. Now bake for 12 to 15 minutes. First bake for 12 minutes. If they look unbaked or they are very soft, you can bake a little longer, but mine were done in about 14 minutes. And the baking time might vary from air fryer to air fryer as well, right? So these were crispy and perfect munchies with tea. They look beautiful as well. I may not have clicked them beautifully, but they look very beautiful. And now your feedback matters, my dear friends. If you have tried out any of my cookie recipes or any other recipe, do share your feedback with me. And do not forget to like, share, and comment on how you find this recipe of Amran cookies with jaggery or any other questions regarding this flour. And also let me know how you use amaranth, rajgira, chilai or seal. In Punjab we make seal laddu as well, which we eat during fast, and this is a fasting cookie recipe as well. You can enjoy it during fast. So until next time, take care, bye bye.